Hello everyone and welcome. You guys know that I'm always looking for the best deals possible to help you guys save money. In these days of high inflation, when I come across a real bargain like this guy, I like to share it with you guys, my viewers. So today we're going to be looking at the cheapest 3000 amp jump starter that I found on Amazon. This little guy right here is able to jumpstart all gas engines and up to an 8-liter diesel engine, which is no small feat. It also works as a portable battery bank and comes with a ton of accessories that some of the more expensive jump starters do not include. So let's open this guy up and see how it performs. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce another product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. There's a shot of the box for you, and let's open this puppy up. Alright then, when you unbox this guy, this is what you get. You get everything in this nice hard storage container. When you open it up, everything is nice and neatly stored inside, including the jump starter right there. So let me pull all this stuff out of here. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the Povasee 3000 amp jump starter and battery bank, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $89.99. But that's not all. They also have a $40 discount coupon on their Amazon page. And on top of that, they have a 10% discount coupon on their Amazon page. So that brings it down pretty much to half price. So 40 bucks approximately is what you're going to wind up paying for this guy. And if I do happen to come across additional discount coupons, I'll be sure to put it in the description down below. So check that out first so you can save even more money. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the unit itself, you get a nice hard storage case to put it in your trunk, glove box, wherever you want to put it. You get a USB-C charging cable to power it up. You get a 12-volt DC out adapter, and you get the booster cables, plus the owner's manual that tells you everything about the unit, how to set it up, take care of it, charge it up, use it, all that kind of good stuff. I suggest you read through that. Now, the unit itself is very compact and lightweight. It's only 6 inches by 3 inches by 2 inches in thickness. And it only weighs 2 pounds, so it's very lightweight and compact, easy for anybody to use it. The warranty on this unit is 2 years. So for 2 years, you're covered. Any problems, contact the manufacturer, they'll take care of you. The working temperature on this unit is from minus 30 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade, or from minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So a very broad range of temperature where you can use this unit. Now this unit is powered up by a 23,800 milliamp lithium ion battery, which puts out 3,000 amps peak for jump-starting your vehicle. It claims basically that it can jumpstart all gas engines and diesel all the way up to 8 liters, which is huge. It can perform up to 60 jump starts from a full charge, so you can use it multiple times without having to recharge it. Now you power up the unit using the USB-C charge port on the side of the unit, and that is for fast charging, and you can charge it up anywhere from 5 volts, 9 volts, or 12 volt. It'll adapt to whatever power you're putting into it. It also has 2 USB out ports. It has one regular USB and one quick charge 3.0 USB, and that can put out power anywhere from 5 volts to 12 volts, depending on what the unit that you're charging demands from the power. And both USBs can be used at the same time, making it very convenient. And everything is neatly tucked away. You can see right here on this side of the unit, that's where you put the jump starter cables. That's where you have the USB in, out, all that kind of good stuff. And it has a nice rubbery, rigid kind of a rubber door protector right there, making it very well protected. You can see all the ports right there, the USB out, the USB in, and the 12 volt out right there. So that tells you very easy, no fuss, no muss, nothing around the rest of the unit to worry about. It's all right here at the one end. And this unit also has a 400 lumens flashlight on the opposite side, and the flashlight can basically be used as a flashlight, as a strobe, or SOS, depending on if you need help on the side of the road. And to power that up, all you do is press the button right here, you hold it, and the flashlight turns on, as you can see right there. Press it again, and you get the strobe. Press it again, and you get the SOS. So it's very easy, very intuitive to use. And you have some nice convenient LEDs right there that tell you how much the unit is powered up. So when you're charging it up, that'll tell you right there when you reach fully charged. Now the 12 volt DC out that I just showed you a moment ago can put out 12 to 16 volts up to 6 amps of DC power. And it can be used to power up your car vacuum cleaner, portable fan, car refrigerator, etc. Pretty much anything running at 12 volts. Now this unit comes with 9 different types of protections to make sure that you don't have any problems and you don't cause any problems to your car or yourself. It comes with reverse polarity protection, reverse charge, over discharge, reverse connection, short circuit, overcharge, overcurrent, overheating, and spark resistance. So this unit's great for jump starting any 12 volt system, whether it's a car, truck, SUV, lawnmower, snowmobile, tractor, diesel engine, etc. It also works as a powerful battery bank for your phones, tablets, drones, cameras, portable fridge, fans, anything you want to power up with it. So let's do a little bit of testing with this guy and see how it performs. Alright guys, before we start doing a little bit of testing, let me give you a little bit more stats in case you're curious about the unit. In fact, the cable, I just unraveled this cable, the USB-C charging cable, and I measured it, and it is 38 inches in length. So that gives you quite a bit of cable right there, so you can hook this guy up and power it up pretty much anywhere you want without being limited as to a very small cable. So very convenient. The DC 12 volt adapter out for this unit is included with the unit, which a lot of the more expensive units do not even include this. So this is very convenient right here. A lot of them will have the port, but you need to buy this separately. And this is very easy to use in case you're not familiar. The USB-Cs, I'm sure you know how to use because that's so ubiquitous, everybody knows how to use them. But your lighter port, some people may not be familiar with this. So all you do is plug it into there, and that's it. Your port is live right now. Anything with a lighter adapter, you can plug into here and start using it. So it's that easy to use. And like I said, there you have 2 ports right there, your charging USB port. And on this side over here, when you close this little door over here, this other door can be opened up. And this is where you plug in the charge cables to do the jump starting. And these guys seal up really, really well. And all you do is plug this guy into there, and it is kind of goof-proof. As you can see, the connectors only go in one way. They have a special shape to them, and they only go in one way. So you plug it in right there, and you're ready to start jumping with these guys. So that's exactly what we're going to do right now, testing it on my truck. And if you want to see the unit, there you go. You can pause the video if you want, and there's some of the stats on the unit right there. You can take a freeze frame and take a look at that. And it has a nice rubbery overmold that makes it easy for you to grip even when it's hot, cold, your hands are dirty, greasy, whatever. Very convenient, easy to hold. There's a flashlight right there. So like I said, it's very intuitive. Basically everything is on the 2 sides, very easy to use, and the button is right on top. So that's a very nicely made, very convenient unit right there. And the price is also fantastic. So let's go on and do some testing. Alright guys, here we are inside my truck, and I know some of you guys are the type that if you don't see it happen, you don't believe it took place. So here we are. I'm going to show you proof positive that the battery in this truck is no good, and while it gives enough power to turn on the accessories and so forth, it doesn't start the truck by itself unless I use a jump starter. That's why I use this vehicle for jump starter testing. So I'm going to show you right now, have the key in the ignitions, the old-fashioned key style, and let's give it a try, see if it'll start. And as you can see right there, no power, it won't start up. It'll turn on the buzzer, that's for sure, but nothing more. So let's go outside, let's hook up the jump starter and see if it jumps this vehicle. Alright guys, so you just saw a moment ago how this battery right here will not turn over this engine. It will not start this V8 engine that I have right here. My Dodge Ram 318 5.2 liter V8 engine. This is an old battery, as you can see right here, from September 2012. It is very old. It is very weak. It is not good. In fact, I just did a video a couple days ago of a battery tester that showed this battery is only 34% good. If you need a battery tester, I'm going to put a link to that video up in the corner so you can go check that out in case you need a battery tester to check out your battery. But this case, we're talking about a jump starter right here. So I'm going to hook up this jump starter and I'm going to test it and see if it'll jump this vehicle right now. All right, so let me hook up the jump starter right here and we'll get going. And let's see how this guy performs if it can jump this V8 engine. Let me hook it up right here for you. And there you go. It's green. It's ready to go. So let me put this guy right here. Let me go inside and see if it'll turn it over. it. It jump-started the vehicle with no trouble at all. So there you go. It worked out just fine. Alright guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of the cheapest 3,000 amp vehicle jump starter that I could find on Amazon. I think this is a really great jump starter. It has plenty of power to start up just about any vehicle, including large diesel engines. It'll work on anything with a 12-volt system, and it has a bargain price right now. If you've been looking for a jump starter with a really great price, I suggest you check out this guy. Check out their Amazon page for complete details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.